Hello there. So you want to know how you can track Alibaba orders and shipments? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you are familiar with and simply search for Alibaba. Click on the first link right over here and simply go ahead and log into your account that you want to simply go ahead and track your orders with. Now on the top right hand of your screen, there's going to be this small person icon where you want to hover your cursor and simply go ahead into orders. And this is where all your orders are going to be seen. As you can see, there are a couple of my orders for a couple of my stores. All you need to do is click on view order detail, and this is where you can simply go ahead and track it. So on shipment, what you can do is simply click on track shipments, and it's going to be shown right over here what has been happening, what is going on, and so on. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.